her? Tai Tai's niece?
Yes, that's Angguan. She grew up right here at the palace. I haven't seen her in years.
You know, dear, I've always thought of you as one of my very own daughters.
Ayi, don't cry.
She hasn't changed. Just as sweet and kind as ever. Oh, how we used to play all day!
Oh.
Don't look so surprised. Your old father was once young too, you know. She called me Boo-Goo.
Boo-Goo? The cuckoo bird? And now Angguan's come back to get married at the palace. That's so romantic.
Now, I know a wedding is supposed to be at the family of the groom, but who would have predicted that ghastly flood would soak Juwen's parents' house?
I hear the house should be dry in a few weeks. Maybe we should postpone the wedding until...
It's all been arranged. Tomorrow, our home is their home. Everything will be perfect. Musicians by the pond, lanterns strung up here, here, and here. Double happiness banners there, and there. Banquet table there.
Aren't you gonna go say hi to Angguan, Baba?
Oh, she's all grown up now. I'd be surprised if she even remembers me.
Baba? Then why don't you make her something to remember you by? A wedding present.
She'll be getting lots of gifts. She doesn't need one from me. And I'm much too busy with the preparations. I'm just happy to see her again.
Well, I think she needs a gift from him.
Kittens! Why, they look like Boo-Goo!
Boo-Goo who?
The palace kitten, when I was growing up here.
Oh, you mean Baba. He's still with us. Excellent calligrapher, wrote all your invitations. These are his kittens. Dongwa, Sagwa, and Shigwa. Mischief makers, every one of them. But don't you worry. They'll be confined to their quarters during the wedding.
Boo-Goo's kittens.
Hurry and get to the harbor. Juwen's boat will be docking any minute.
Count me there, my delectable honey dumpling.
Wait! You can't go without the honor guards. Now all you need is your gaito. And remember, no peeking. Sit tight. I'll be right back.
And then we put it in the envelope and sneak it down with the other gifts.
I don't know, Sagwa. Are you sure Baba would want to give her something so silly?
It's not silly. Now, are you going to help me or not?
How can I be sure? Oh, I hope he's not too stuffy and serious. What if he doesn't like me? What if I don't like him?
Shigwa? Meow.
Shigwa!
Angguan? Angguan? There you are! Hurry, you're...
Ayi, could I please have this kitten with me before the ceremony? She calms me so. It would be such a shame if my nerves were to spoil the lovely wedding you've worked so hard to give me.
Oh, all right. But hurry, your sedan awaits. is the happiest day of my life.
I wish I could say the same. I'm so nervous about getting married.